Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Issa Rae, back on your screen once again. So in today's video, first of all, before I even actually get into anything, I want to say hello to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I mean, my goal here is to reach 1,000 subscribers very soon. My short-term goal, very short term, but it'd be great if you could just please subscribe, you know. And then so in today's video we are going to be doing Issa Rae inspired hairstyles, if that makes sense. So if you guys watch Insecure, you know she's always working her hairstyle. She uses a lot of gel. I'm not going to be using gel. I mean, you can if you want, because I'm just going to be doing this hair on, this hairstyles. My hair is quite clean. I don't want to put gel in it, honestly speaking. And I'm only doing 4 hairstyles, or maybe 5, I'll see. So I don't want to be putting gel and then taking it out and gel and then you get what I mean, right? We both know that having gel in your hair is not really that nice. So without any further ado, let us, oh, also again, these hairstyles do not require for you to add external hair onto your hair. So to add maybe like extensions to your hair, you don't need that. I actually make sure that I only pick hairstyles in which you can achieve, whether you have a TWA or where my hair is or whatever the case may be, you can still achieve these hairstyles without having to add on into any extensions. So let me get right into it. I hope that you guys enjoyed these hairstyles. I mean, it was my first attempt, okay? So if they didn't come out right, that's because, you know, I didn't, for one, use gel in my hair. And secondly, it was the first time I was trying the hairstyles out and I didn't know what to expect, and that was that, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed the hairstyles. I hope that they turned out well, and you are going to be able to achieve them, because if Titi can do it, you can do it, you know what I mean? And this was my first attempt, and we are still under quarantine, so you might as well just try them, you know. Just try the hairstyles, see if you like them, and if you do, just tag me on my Instagram. It's Issa Rae. I'll leave down all my descriptions in the all my socials in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next one.